Good thing about postcards, in under 20 minutes, I'm packing out of here. Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. Today we are at Penmar Antique Market, which is near Waynesboro, PA. We're here today to actually clean out my antique booth here. I have, now probably about 20,000 postcards in here. I've been in here since August. Truthfully, I've not done extremely well in here. I've made a little bit of money, but it was definitely not worth the time and effort and expense to put my cards in this antique mall. I'll walk you around in here a little bit and you can get an idea of what's in this antique mall. It's kind of in a smaller town. It does not, I'll say on Sundays, the one time I was here on a Sunday, the parking lot was packed. I'm not sure about the other days of the week. I just know my postcards did not sell very well in this antique mall. Okay, here's my booth. It's half empty. I took some stuff out. This is what I hate. People putting stuff that doesn't belong here. Just inconsiderate people sometimes. I believe those are the only other postcards in here. It's kind of yard sale, flea market stuff. This is probably one of the cooler booths. A lot of Christmas music still playing. I thought this was pretty neat booth. Don't know how much they sell, but cool concept. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm just going through real quick. Just seeing if any of my stuff is in someone else's booth. Yeah, yard sale junk. Flea market booth junk. Maybe that's why my stuff didn't do well in here. People know that's not a very good antique mall. I don't know, my opinion. I just know I did not do well compared to the other mall I'm in. It's a big mall, 150 dealers. So there's a lot of stuff. It's just seems to be newer, less antique-y stuff. And there's another. I guess this used to be an old skating rink. This music, I might just keep it in. December 28th. Time to stop this. Oh well, so this one won't be monetized when I am eventually monetized. It'd be a good thumbnail. That's some weird shit. Okay, you get an idea what's in here. No other postcards. I was the only one. Okay, so there's just a real quick review of the Penmar Antique Market in Waynesboro, PA, right outside of Waynesboro, PA. Yeah, postcards, you just, real quick to pack up in the back of the truck. I just have to put my new booth coat on the back, and they'll be ready to go in the new booth, probably in the next 2 weeks or so. Out of breath from packing everything up. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below your experiences in antique malls. Setting up, selling stuff, vending, stuff like that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.